Welcome to South Omaha Speed. We got some stuff going on in the shop today with the Mustang Fastback. The A-team's over. Peyton and Ryan, of course, Annie's out here. And we're working on the front end of the car. Yesterday we did some work and I didn't get a chance to film that, but today we're taking off the deflector, I think it's called, and the valance. Yesterday we took this piece off, whatever that's called. What's it called? Radiator. Oh yeah, well, yeah, the radiator came out yesterday as well. And the fan, and we're getting the belts off of it, the old hoses, getting ready to go back forward with that. We got to get a battery tray. Looks like the structure could be good underneath there, but we don't know until we get the old tray out. We might work on that today too. We got the new pony wheel we got in from Billy Z. Peyton did not want to use the other wheel. She said no, we'll go look at that real quick. It's nasty. Yes, honey. Yeah, would you need help getting that turned on? There you go.
How is that so difficult?
Just push the little button. Oh, it looks like the battery's dead. We'll get you a new battery, okay? Give me 1 second. So we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The old one, crusty, a lot of mold in the car.
That looks terrible.
So a lot of cleaning to do once we get it on the ground and we get it off the lift and we get the doors open. And the plan is just to run it like it is. I think the interior mostly. But there's a new pony wheel there, just kind of sitting on there for now. She was pretty excited about that, not having to run that nasty wheel. So anyway, more to come, and we'll get back with you here in a second. All right, we're working at it. We got the valance off, the lower valance, what that's called. Working on getting the park lights out. Do a little WD-40 on those studs. Hoping those nuts come off all right. Ryan up here, what we got going on, buddy?
Got 2 more bolts.
Nice. Looking good. Getting close on that. Got that new one here. It's all new used one we got at the Lincoln Swap Meet. Put on there. So the plan's going to be is to get these pieces off and then go to O'Reilly's, take a piece of that color. I don't think this is a factory color. It's close. Have them take a piece, put it in the machine, figure out what color it is, and then put that color in 2 puff cans. And we're going to paint the piece that goes here.
Thank you.
We're going to puff can that, and this new piece here, the used one, we got 2 used pieces that we're going to color match-ish. And then if it's shiny, then after it dries, we'll go ahead and take the sheen off it with some like 1000 grit, just dull it up a little bit to match the rest of the car. We still need to come up with what we're going to do for our front valance. We're going to buy one because this one's pretty rough. And then figure out, probably gonna run the hood for now. So more to come. Clean up one of the plates. We got that going.
Smells so good.
She's a fan of the glass cleaner. That's good. Ryan's up here taking the front bumper brackets off. Front valance is coming along, taking the park lights off still. How's it going, bud?
Very good.
Nice. Help you there? Awesome. Cool. Just had that one that was nasty.
What?
That one bolt. Just that one that was giving you problems.
Yeah, that problem. It's not fun.
We can chase that with a tap too before we go back together.
Yeah. It probably needs to be.
Yeah. You can tell because it's a little off because of what's been hit.
Yeah.
It's up, you know, like the bracket inside is up in the hole.
I'm not sure it was gonna break, but I just kept on going.
Good job not breaking it. Good job.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah. Yep.
Wasn't pretty.
It's almost that if you look up in there, you can see that the bracket inside is shifted because of the wreck. When the bumper took the shot, it pushed it up inside there. What are you doing, stinker? All right, cool. So she's just buffing off the big rock chips with a flapper disc. Probably rougher than probably we should do, but that's just gonna be a puff can situation. We're gonna primer that piece, get the puff can from O'Reilly's, paint the correct color match it best we can, just get this thing going. So it had a bunch of rock chips on that piece, and to sit there and sand it by hand would just take all day, so we're just buffing it off with a little flapper disc. So any body shop guys that are watching, I'm sure that's a no-no, but we're just trying what we can here to get her going. Then we're going to use a Scotch-Brite pad on the other deflector, the stone deflector. It goes up in here above the bumper. We got that at the swap meet. We're going to take the sheen off that, puff can that and keep moving forward. It's all we can do. It sounds like she picked a front valance. We went through the book today, and there's a valance they sell that looks like the stock one, but there's an opening for like an oil cooler. You don't run the front plate. So that's the one looks like we're going to go with. I tried to talk her into the R model one, but no go there. She wants the chrome, but I think that's pretty cool. So plus if you're running around with a 2-barrel 289, you probably don't want to have an R model front bumper on your Fastback Mustang. So anyway, there's that. So anyway, keep going. Okay, we're going to finish this one up. It was a productive day. They did awesome. Ryan, Peyton, little Annie, good teamwork out here. Yeah, we're waiting on some paint from O'Reilly's. We're going to put that, color match that into some puff cans so we can paint some front end stuff up. And we're going to order some parts, need some parts. So today I'm going over to Billy Z's, going to try to buy some new old stock front rotors for this thing. He's had for 20 years, so he's got them still in boxes. Going to try to buy them, and maybe even a 4-speed tranny for this thing too, with the correct tail shaft for the right location for the 4-speed shifter coming through the floor. I think the plan is eventually they're going to put a 4-speed in this thing if this automatic dies on us, and who knows, it's been sitting for 38 years. How long that front seal is going to last, don't know. But we'll drive it until she quits, and then we'll put a 4-speed in it is the plan. But anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Tell your neighbors and friends, and we'll catch you next time on South Omaha Speed. Thank you.